garden today, I'm just going to plant the, I have some tomatoes, I have some peppers, and I have some hot peppers, and then I have some eggplant. And the reason why I'm just planting those ones is because I've tried to do squash in the past, and every year I struggle with it. So in northern Nevada, I don't know why, but I'm not even gonna try. So I have a video about that. The squash bugs, it's tough out here. The tomatoes, they grow sometimes, so we'll see how they work. This time I'm rotating them from another bed, so hopefully they're gonna grow better this year. I have some actual, the stuff down the side there, first of all, is like some fish fertilizer. So I put some fish fertilizer. It smells pretty bad right now. My dog put his nose in it. It's pretty gross. Anyway, this is right here is red leaf lettuce. I planted this a little over a month ago, right, a month and a half ago. I just basically sprinkled the seeds, and then what you're gonna do is you're gonna be able to just cut across and then harvest, and it's gonna just continue to grow. Okay, I usually do pretty good on this stuff. Okay, this is the red leaf lettuce. This whole section. This right here is some kale. Okay, this section right here is another greens, right? And then over here, this section right here, these are 2 cantaloupe seeds, right? I put like 4 in each, right? So then there's gonna be 2 cantaloupe plants growing, hopefully, and they're gonna go over the trellis here. Okay, so I'll have some cantaloupes hopefully soon. Then over here we have jalapeños on the outside. These are the jalapeños here. And then those are right there, jalapeno. And then this right here is gonna be a Black Beauty eggplant, which I did well with all of these last year. So I'm just focusing on the stuff that actually grows up here in northern Nevada. Because up here, not everything grows because of the way the weather, the way the seasons are, okay? This right here, I think I threw a bunch of spinach seeds, but they haven't grown. This is the section that wasn't growing real well last year because they're the tomato plants. So if they don't grow, I'm just gonna leave it blank, okay? Actually, and then if you notice, I emptied these sections here, those boxes, because I just put all the soil into the other boxes because I'm trying to rotate right now. Henry, get away, go. Okay. These are tomato plants. I'm gonna put a basil in between. I thought I bought one, I forgot. Okay, so I'm gonna get a basil plant because tomato and basil, they love each other. They're good friends. This right here is a slicer tomato. Everything's organic, and that right there is heirloom. Okay, so I'm excited for heirloom. They're delicious. And then over here, the first section here, this is more red leaf lettuce. So I have 2 sections of red leaf lettuce here and then there. Okay, which is good because I could eat a lot of lettuce. And then also, friends and stuff. But also right here, you got the, what is it? This is that's the Japanese eggplant there. So instead of growing squash and zucchini, which really has been hard out here in Nevada, like I was mentioning, I'm just gonna do eggplant, I'm gonna do tomatoes, I'm gonna do, I got, oh, I didn't get the bell peppers. I thought I got bell peppers too. So I guess I need to go back and get some bell peppers, and I need to go get some basil. So this is the 2025 garden. This is it. So next time you guys will see a video will be the 3rd day video, which I'm not showing you any days in between. Like right now I'm gonna pick some weeds, right? But the weeds I picked the 1st day, and then when I planted these, actually there was more weeds that grew, so I just picked them again, right? And then I'll probably pick them in between now and then, but because the weed seeds will spread and land in your crops, so yeah, so then I'll pick those, and then basically next time you'll have a video and I'll show you guys this thing all grown up like I did last year. And if you guys want to go see last year and the year before, all the way back to like I think 2000, I don't know, I started years ago, you can see and then you can see my garden, and you can see some of it was flourishing pretty well, but like I said, northern Nevada is pretty tricky. That tree back there, by the way, is an apricot tree. And there are apricots and they're growing. And then this is the apple tree. This thing hasn't done anything, so I'm waiting to see when it's going to start, but I'm learning. So anyway, this is the garden.